Ever pondered the intricacies of creating complex shapes in manufacturing? Well, the secret often lies in a process called extrusion. This method is a marvel of engineering, transforming raw materials into objects with a fixed cross-sectional profile. Let's delve into the process, step by step. Firstly, material selection lays the foundation of the extrusion process. The chosen material must align with the desired properties of the end product. Plastics, metals, and rubber are usual suspects, with plastics leading the pack due to their versatility and ease of processing. Criteria such as strength, flexibility, durability, thermal resistance, and cost play a significant role in this decision. Preparation follows the selection phase. Materials may need to be transformed into a form suitable for extrusion. For instance, plastic pellets or granules could be heated to a molten state in a hopper, while metal billets might need to reach a specific temperature to achieve the optimal consistency. The next step involves feeding the prepared material into the extruder via a hopper situated at the machine's top. The material is either gravity-fed or forced into the extruder using a feeder mechanism. Once inside the extruder, the material embarks on a heated journey along a barrel, guided by a rotating screw mechanism. This screw exerts pressure and mixes the material, leading to its softening and eventual melting into a viscous state due to the combined effects of heat and pressure. The molten material then meets a specially designed die at the end of the barrel. This die, a metal plate with a shaped opening, stamps its authority on the material, forcing it to adopt the shape of the opening as it passes through. Post-shaping, the extruded material needs to cool down and solidify to retain its shape. This cooling phase can be achieved by immersion in a cooling bath or exposure to air or water cooling. The cooling rate is meticulously controlled to prevent deformation and ensure dimensional accuracy. Once cooled and solidified, the extruded material is cut to the desired length. At this stage, additional finishing processes may be undertaken, such as drilling holes, cutting grooves, adding surface textures, patterns, or even coating or painting the surface. Quality control is a constant companion throughout the extrusion process. Parameters like temperature, pressure, and dimensions are continuously monitored and adjusted to maintain consistency and quality. Samples may also be taken at various stages for testing and inspection. In summary, extrusion is a versatile, efficient, and flexible manufacturing process. By precisely controlling the material, temperature, and process parameters, manufacturers can create a wide array of extruded products, each tailored to a specific application. The next time you come across a complex shape, remember it's probably the handiwork of the extrusion process at play.